Alright, so we'll do the setup. So like I said, it has 5 bays to install the hard disk. I'm planning to install 3 hard drives. I got 3 of Ironwolf by Seagate, 8 terabytes, and set up RAID on that later once it is done. So let's do it for the very first slot. You just put your finger in here, pull it out, and take out the bay. There are 2 clamps in here. Just clip it from here, and this clamp will come out. Other side again, the same thing. These are going to hold the hard disk in place. Make sure it doesn't move as it vibrates. Sit it in the base. Secure it right. And if it aligns properly, then you can easily just snap it back and you will hear a click. Hear the click. So this side is secured in place. Align it right. Clamp. Another click. So this one is perfectly installed. Slide it in. On the top, and then simply snap it back. I'm going to install the rest of 2. Alright, now I just turned the unit upside down, and we are going to install these SSDs for data caching. I got 2 of them. Samsung 970 EVO Plus. Just make sure you don't touch these gold connectors. Just clip it out. Align these teats. Hold this latch and snaps in. Same thing with the second one. Align it, pull the latch, snaps in. You can just put the shutter back. And the unit is fully installed now.